Cecilia, and I'm going to talk about the medicine and the chemistry. The medical fields are depending on chemistry for a number of reasons. If you're a doctor, you give people medications to recover or life, I think. There is a lot of effort by organic chemists throughout the world to make sure these drugs work. If you're working with a patient that has osteoporosis, you need to figure out why their bones are dissolving away and how to fix that. And the chemistry makes that possible. When the organs shut down, labs tests based on chemistry can allow doctors to figure out what's going on. When somebody dies, tests can determine what killed them and how you can prevent it, and you can make that the people don't die in the future by that thing. Basically, unless you're talking about a very simple stuff like setting a bone, chemistry affects all of this. And if you have medicine and not chemistry, is wrong. Well, the chemistry and medicine has a lot of relation in between us. Bye.
Most of us are unaware of the science behind the production and processing of the food we consume. Here are some specific areas for careers in food science. Example, agricultural chemists help develop new chemicals to increase crop production and yield, defend against pests, and protect the environment. Animal science conduct research concerning animal nutrition, work for more efficient means of food production by studying animal genetics, nutrition, reproduction, diseases, and growth. Another example are flavor chemists, food chemists, nutritional chemists, molecular gastronomists, and soil and plant chemists.
Was formulated July 1914 to November 1980. It fitted the army as an industrial made of the Central Powers. They were relying on the mass production of machine guns, artillery weapons, rifles, and ammunition. Death and destruction occurred on an unimaginable scale. Around 10 million soldiers, sailors, airmen, medical officers, and nurses died on the battlefields, in the air, at sea. The industrial scale death and destruction during the war would not have been possible without this industrial scale production of a vast variety of chemical substances. The most important are explosives like grenades, bombs, poison gases, metal and alloys for making weapons and ammunition, the care of the sick and wounded, and the protection of troops and sailors also rely on the chemical materials. Chemicals for gases, metal for making armor and steel helmets, dye for military uniforms, medicines such as painkillers, and disinfectants to stop the spread of infections.
Okay. Chemistry and global warming. Chemistry relevant to global warming. The underlying chemistry of global warming centers on the phenomena commonly described as the greenhouse effect. In short, these terms refer to the theory that the temperature at the surface of the Earth is maintained higher than would be calculated for a simple radioactive budget due to the absorption of longer-wave radiation in the atmosphere. Global warming is a popular term used to describe the increase in average global temperatures, referred to an increase in Earth global mean because a part of Earth outgoing infrared radiation is retained by several trace gases in the atmosphere whose concentration has been increasing because of industrial Global warming is a popular term used to describe the increase in average global temperatures. Refers to an increase in air global mean because a part of the Earth's outgoing infrared radiation is retained by several trace gases in the atmosphere, whose concentration have been increasing because of industrial, commercial, and agricultural activities.
Reduce the burning of fossil fuels and look for other alternatives to obtain energy, such as energy by means of sunlight or wind energy. Use biofuels for often. Give it use to the different ecological technologies of today, such as cars, electric and hybrid cars. Join and support the different campaigns of environmental conservation and recycling. Reduce the use of hot water and use fluorescent bulbs instead of the glowing ones. Many scientists believe that stopping eating meat will be the most significant, as the global meat industry is the most polluted industry.
Chemistry is very relevant because of the scientific and technological advance that it has. It is related to many things, such as food, medicine, and war. It is necessary to have a good quality of life, such as food that is produced even if not seasoned, medicines to treat diseases and to manufacture health products, and in war creating weapons to attack and defeat enemies.